Hey guys, um, today I'm going to show you how to play games using generic USB joystick. Some games cannot be played using this generic USB joystick, so I'm going to show you how to uh, configure this joystick to play some games like Minecraft and so on. I'm going to show you example using this Minecraft game. You need a software called Expander. I'm going to put the download link in the link below. Just open this. It says unsupported Windows version detected. You need to be in Windows 7, something like that. So go to properties, compatibility, and change it to Windows 7, and then apply. OK. Then open this and press start. OK. OK. Start. Start and program location and do not associate. It shows like this. Then plug in your USB. Yeah, it is white, so it is connected. If it is red, it is not connected. So make sure it is white. Yeah, it is white. Now I am connected. And then go to this and click on new and click on sticks, enable. This is your left stick on your USB joystick, so say what it says, left, up, right and down, enable. This is your right. I need to enable this. Left, up, right and down. Okay, then d-pad. These are your arrows on your joystick, so enable it, and then up, down, left and right. See, this is where they will be on your generic USB. See, now you might be getting an idea. These are the buttons, all the buttons on your, you can put the image of all the buttons by pressing each button. So what I'm gonna do is press each of the button on the joystick. So 1 2 3 and 4. See, 1, I pressed 1, which is on this side, 2, and then 3, and then 4, you know. Then what I'm gonna do is press other buttons, which is 5 6 7 and 8. 5, which is on the upper side, and 6, which is on this right upper side, and 7, which is on the lower side of this left side, and 8 is on the right lower side, and then 8 9 10. So these are the select button and start button. No, these are not select and start, sorry. These are the middle buttons, which will be like when you press the sticks, they will be at 9 and 10. Then maybe, I don't know, but these are the buttons. Sorry for that. These are the buttons which we get by pressing the sticks. This 9 and 10. Let us assume that, and then select and start. This is select button and this is start button. Do not press mode. Okay, and then okay, all the buttons we got, all the buttons. Okay, okay, and then save it as something like my generic USB joystick. I'm gonna save it as this and press save, and okay. A new expander controller has been created on your program location folder. That is what we pressed earlier. So let me just assign some keys which are used in the Minecraft game, so you can use it uh, by in the USB. So it's in new, create profile, some press you know uh, let me press this key and assign some W, D, S and A. These are used to move the player, and this is the mouse, up, right, left, sorry, down and left. And other keys like to press the left click, yeah, left click. This is right, sorry, right, and this is left, and something like E. I'm gonna use this as E, and space to jump, and what else, and escape. Start button is escape. Okay, this is how I am configuring it. You can configure it as you wish. So I'm gonna save it as a Minecraft for Minecraft game. For each game you can create a new profile, and you can assign keys which are used in that game as you wish. and save this Minecraft and minimize this and open Minecraft. Yeah, I'm gonna play this video after I open the game. And one thing I want to say is now you can control using this USB generic connector. Like you can control it on your desktop too. See, using sticks. Now I assigned the stick left stick as a mouse, so I'm using it as mouse. So my right stick, when I press upper key, it will be W. So if anything, see, let us say I wanna open this Unity folder. So just double click on Unity, by which I assigned as the fifth button as the left click. So when I double click it, it will open. So if you want to close, you just go and press that. Just press play. Some downloading is going on, so I'm gonna pause this video. Yeah, now you can see the game is open, and I am pressing the single player using this generic USB joystick, and I can move freely in my world using this shade piece of shit. So my right side, oh shit, it should be, my right side should be the mouse thing. I cannot control this shit. No, it's okay. Yeah, okay. I cannot play using this left stick as the mouse. It should have been my. Oh, I cannot control properly. I should have switched it. Now you can switch it. You can change it. While while in your game, you just minimize this and oh my god, here is my expander. I think it is, yeah. Just configure it. What did I press? Okay, W, S, and A, and D, up arrow, down arrow, left, and sorry, right and left. And now I'm gonna save this and open Minecraft. Now, yeah, now it's all right. Jump using this seventh button and just move freely now. Two times the upper W, two times W, it will move faster. So just how to control it. Yeah, now I can attack by just pressing this left mouse button. Right to no, right is not working. I don't know why. It will work. No worries. I'm gonna kill this bloody spider using this wooden sword of mine. Oh my gosh, this is my wooden sword. I did not, put all those weapons to. Sorry, I could not switch to between those my inventory. Yeah. No, I think my upper arrow is my inventory. So no swords, nothing. Shit. I'm not been playing this game for a long time. So start button to escape. Start button to escape, and then I'm gonna quit this game. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.